Today, we are installing the JDM tails on the Maggie. Maggie's installing my taillights today, guys. What could go wrong? Let's see. Oh! Actually, this right here. There you go.
Oh yeah, perfect.
You're lying. What? She's scratching the wrap, chat. Oh, wait.
That seems like it's tightening it.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'll do this, right? Adjust it.
Okay.
I'll do it this way.
Did you break it?
Nothing's moving.
Yeah. Oh, one thing that you... Oh, she just yanked that bit off. Oh, it's broken, chat. Yes, so this is the hardest part, in my opinion. This is gonna be your hardest part.
Will I electrocute myself or something?
Maybe, but I just can't, just get it. Look at that. See, chat? You showing chat right now?
Yeah.
See now?
Wow.
See? See it? There it is. She did it.
It's hot.